Hi, I'm Rael Bricker, and I'm excited to be joining you at the USB Showcase in January at VodaWorld. The challenge we face at the moment is that only 21% of employees are engaged in our organizations. That's the lowest level in years. And here's the truth: inspiration alone won't fix it. Inspiration is powerful, and I get calls all the time to say, we need some inspiration for our team. But it's temporary. It hits like a flare. It's a Hollywood moment. And then it fades. The team are inspired at 10 o'clock in the morning and back at the grind at 12 o'clock. Optimism, on the other hand, is different. Optimism is not a spark. It's a practice. It's the disciplined belief that tomorrow can be better, and we have agency to create that. Where inspiration lifts up a room, optimism lifts up an organization. And that's what I'll be covering in Harnessing Optimism, the leadership advantage you can't afford to miss. I'll share practical tools, simple steps that you can use to recreate energy and rebuild connections and create a culture where people want to engage. The future isn't something we wait for. It is something that we create, a future unscripted, and I can't wait to see you there.